Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant November release. This is Mama Elephant's last release for 2023, returning in January for another year of fun products. Remember to leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available on November 15th. We are kicking off today's video with little friend tags. This is such a fun, cute set. It has all of the Mama Elephant critters in a tag shape, and my favorite one is the polar bear. It's so cute. This also has coordinating dies that you can purchase, and the coordinating dies cut out little slits in the paws, and you can use the little images down below for the critters to hold one of the tiny images. I love all of the tiny images. I think they're so cute. My favorite one is the little wreath. There's also room in the tiny bellies to stamp out a sentiment, which I totally forgot to do, but the little sentiments are to and from, a little gift, happy holidays for you, a little something, and special delivery. Here's a look at the coordinating dies, and you can see that there's a part of the die that cuts out the little paw shape. We're going to first color in the images. You can use whatever coloring medium you like. I'm using Copic markers because it was convenient and they were on top of my desk. I'm using the same colors that I've been using for the previous videos. I started off by adding a little R20 blush to everyone, and then I'm just going to color these one by one. You can color in this bear like brown or whatever color you like. I'm going to color it like a polar bear, so I'm using C00 and C1. Next is the little hamster. I believe I used E50 and E51, and for the top part of the hamster I'm using E11 and E13, just a little bit of E13 to create some shadowing. I will put the list of Copic markers I use down below, but I tried to keep the coloring super light. And just a reminder, you can stamp out sentiments in the belly area. I cannot believe I forgot to do that, but there's plenty of room to stamp out a sentiment in the belly area. I love that Mama Elephant stuck in another holiday set. I love making holiday cards. And I love using red and green for all of the different outfits and stuff. I'm using R24 and for the greens, BG32 and BG11. I just wanted to keep everything in the traditional colors. I also added a little bit of blue to the bear's background and also the penguin. I got a little confused coloring Santa because I was going super fast, but I believe there's 2 stars. I fix it later, and I believe that is a squirrel, and that's a little tail next underneath the mustache. I'll be making a card first, so I'll be stamping out the sentiment using a previously released stamp set, Holiday Messages. I like how small they are and I like the type font. This one I'm going to stamp out in red ink, and this one says it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Here is what the tags look like cut out, and there's a little loop in the top. It looks so cute. For the background, I'm using the previously released Magic Snow cover. I've cut that out in white, and I'm doing some just really light ink blending because I want the snowflakes to stand out. I'm using Distress Oxide ink in Broken China. If you want that soft faded look, you'll have to ink blend on a separate piece of paper until almost all of the ink is gone. So there's just a tiny bit of ink left on your brush to get like a brushed out look. So here is what the tags look like and the little slit, and you can pop in whatever image you like. So you can use the tags just this way using the coordinating dies, and if you like, you can pop in one of the tiny images and you can have them hold whatever you like. Again, the stamp set does come with some sentiments that you can stamp at that bottom belly area if you like. I think they look so cute holding these little images. So we'll be putting together the card. I'm going to take the sentiment, which I've cut out in a little banner shape, and I'm going to put that somewhere in the middle. I'm not going to do perfect lining up of these. I think it's easier to do it kind of off kilter. So if you're off a little bit, it's not a big deal. I think the most important ones to adhere first are the middle ones, and then you go out from there. I did use double-sided foam adhesive just so there's a little bit more dimension on the card. I just love how these little tags came out, and I think they look so cute with their little things that they're holding. So I'm calling that card front done. I'm going to pop it on a card base. So you can use the die cuts as is, just as a simple tiny tag like this, which I think is super cute. But I also wanted to try layering it onto other tags. This is Fave tag set from the last holiday release. And so I cut out a bunch of tags in different Christmas colors, and I'm just going to layer them on top of each other, so it's kind of like a collection of tags, and I think that looks so cute as well with the image on top, and that's what it looks like all done. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe, happy crafting, and remember the release drops on November 15th. Also, friends, I have decided to take a break from making videos, but make sure you drop by Mama Elephant's socials in January to see all the new products. I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving and a happy holiday. Bye, guys.